don't go for
Negotiations.
negotiations. Don't do too many, huh? Family.
And deep down, even Dad understood the point. That's why he sought a replacement for you. Siddhant is your replacement, Mr. Sinha.
What happened? Why so silent?
Actually, I would like to tell you something.
Of course. Go ahead.
I don't want to take up this job. I have seen a lot of interviews of you, and you always say that an organization or a company is a lot bigger than one person. It's bigger than the person who builds it. So, we need to think of the company first. Mr. Khurana stood by us when nobody was with us, right? I think that the company needs me. And now when I'm getting this opportunity elsewhere, leaving that company, I just don't find it right. I seriously gave it a thought and I can't take up this job, sir.
So, well, he's taken just after you, Prabhakar. Huh? Like father, like son. Extremely loyal.
He is loyal, sir. Now, with your permission,
What? Permission.
Permission?
Permission. Yes. Huh.
where's everybody?
Hello.
Where are you? The office seems empty. Has Khurana left?
Hey, what is he saying?
I am at the office.
Then why can't I see you? Have you become invisible?
Surprise!
Everybody look at him. This is how a star looks like. Well done. Come on. Cut the cake. Everybody take a cue from him. He's the only employee who puts his company before himself. And look at all of you. I suspect that all of you take commission from the clients. I'm very sure about this. Today, if I had a son, I would have definitely renamed him as Siddhant. Hey, I didn't have any clue that you have so much respect for me. You turned down such a big job just for me. Amazing. This is from me. Office, celebrations, come.
You're impossible, my dear. You impress two big wigs simultaneously. In one hand you have KK, and in the other you have Khurana.
Mr. Sweetie, can you explain what's going on?
Why don't you call Srikanth Reddy? You'll understand everything.
I don't want to take up this job.
All of a sudden, what happened to him? In the morning, he looked all right.
By the way, this is my style. I reach first, but leave after everybody.
You know what, Anu? I just don't understand you.
What happened, brother?
First you say I didn't do good to Siddhant. I should have thanked him. And when I offer him a job, you say that this could have been averted if I would have asked you. Or on the other hand, that Siddhant, he's just so unpredictable. He simply refused to take the job. What is going on between you two? Anyway, whatever happens, now never tell me again that you don't trust me. The other day I didn't like it. I was really hurt.
I'm so sorry, brother. I was just...
That's why, just to say thank you to Siddhant, I've thought of a way.
And what's the way?
Oh, speak of the devil and the devil calls. Tell me, Siddhant, just now I was talking to Anushka about you. So Siddhant, tell me, do you think you will avoid me so easily? Huh? This is Anushka Reddy's order. I have to thank you, come what may, you know. So well, from today, all the legal work of Reddy Corporation will be handled by Khurana Associates and your team will be headed by you. You'll take care of everything. Is that okay? Now will that work? So Anu, is this okay?
I'm okay with it. But only Anushka can tell us what she wants.
Anu! This is so strange. What happened to her now?
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू